Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, today is the day for legends on our show. And so we're joined by another reggae giant. Welcome to the Toastmaster himself. Put your hands together for Big Youth. Yes. And he's a recording artist and, of course, co-founder of Trojan Jamaica, Sharmali, a.k.a. Shush. Yes. I like it, you know. Welcome.
First things first, Big Youth.
Yes.
What is toasting? I'm very, very much interested in it.
We're both interested.
Both of us.
Yes. What is toasting?
All right. It's what you would call rap now, isn't it? Because if it wasn't for we, like me and Daddy Uri, this rap thing wouldn't be going on.
Oh, yes.
So it's, you know, toasting, they call it DJing. That's where we go over version and come up with creativity of things that is happening around us. This is what toasting is all about, reality.
Is it something that you can teach an amateur like us? Because if it is, you know you're going to do it later.
Yeah, well, once you have a good melody.
All right. We'll try to see if we can preempt something.
Right, but...
To see if we can learn about the melody part. All right.
Yeah.
The melody nice, because love is love and love is love. Yeah.
Hey, hear that?
We're going to try. We're going to try. Love is love and love is love.
Lovely.
Lovely.
All right.
All right. We almost got it.
Almost there.
Okay.
Close.
So, Shush,
Yes.
let's talk about Trojan Jamaica.
Okay.
Co-founder, I think, Zach.
Zach Starkey, that's right, yes.
Okay. Why did you guys decide to start Trojan Jamaica?
Well, so what happened was we came over to Jamaica to play music for the Peter Tosh Museum, which was an incredible experience to be able to play with all of these people. And we ended up just feeling so great that we wanted to stay. And we started making all of these records that really needed a home. And so that's, you know, we wanted to make sure that it was done properly. So we started a label, as you do. But it's a really exciting thing, you know. There's some amazing things coming on the horizon.
And in terms of the work so far, the person that you have, you know, what has that been like, the synergies and all of that?
I mean, it's been incredible. You know, we had the Rhythm Twins, Sly and Robbie, were very much a big part of a lot of the recordings that we did. Obviously, Mr. Big Youth, the one and only.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Toots and the Maytals, you know, and many more to come. I mean, for this record, the first release is Red, Gold, Green and Blue, which is a covers record of old blues classics, but done by Jamaican reggae legends. And so it's we're trying to make a new thing out of an old thing and just make a good thing.
So a key thing is remixing some of...
Well, it's a reimagining. I mean, there is an original material coming as well.
Right.
Big Youth has a record coming out that will be, we've recorded, it's still being mixed, but it's sounding very...
Sorry. Oh, don't.
Right?
Sorry.
Yeah. That's how great it is.
That's wonderful. That's really great. But Big Youth, you know what? I am going to put you on the spot right now and talk about your teeth. Let's get personal, Big Youth. Let's talk about the teeth. So, you would have been that stalwart that actually started the whole grill for rappers. Okay, what inspired you though to start that way with your teeth?
All right, me love Rastafari so much. That makes me say, boy, it would be nice to have the red, gold, and green there. So it's like from 72, I wearing these crowns, you know.
Look here.
72?
1972.
Ah.
You never even born, eh?
No, I don't think we were even thought of actually by our parents.
You know what's always fascinating? We have our very own legends starting these things, you know, originators of these things.
And then don't give us our accolades, you know.
No.
Don't give us our accolades, you know.
You know what I mean?
Because a lot of people come up and say, yeah, there is this and that and that. Because them try to keep the real thing in the corner.
So when you have the legends, and that's why it's important, you know, that we have this audience kind of bring this type of information, and even just, you know, meeting
especially the millennials.
The millennials, yeah, man, like myself, come me see the rapper them and them girl.
Yeah, you think it's originating from them.
Not follow up with them, but you don't think now, say, all right then, whatever invented this or whatever, not knowing that in the 1970s, one of our very own, you know, was even rocking it better than them.
Of course, and actually he now has green, red, and what else? Jewels. Is it?
Gold and diamond. We mix it, cause no, it's our original thing.
Yeah.
Cause you understand, we have to look sharp in our own way, you know. Have your own creativity.
We're going to try it. But Big Youth, so here we go now. We're going back to toasting.
Yes.
Because we want to learn. We want to learn.
Okay.
So could you give us something simple? Teach us how to toast like a true stalwart.
All right, just natural. Look at us now, we are on daytime live. And if you want to survive, you want to strive, you want to stay alive, we're on daytime.
Live.
It's just as simple as that.
All right, our turn.
Our turn.
1, 2, 3. Look at us.
No, we must make an original one.
Oh, we can't just work here.
No, so I mean, write the song, you know, I'm going to get my publishing.
Publish. I'm going to
All
try
right,
something.
let's try it. I don't remember what he said.
Look at us now.
Look at us now.
We're on daytime live. If you want to stay alive and you want to survive,
If you want to stay alive and you want to survive,
Just tune in.
on
to
Daytime
Daytime
Live.
Live.
At 105.
Just like that.
You know, me, I wait for dropping the 105, come and pick up the rhyming.
Cause we're live. Cause we're live.
We're live.
On Daytime Live.
All right, so we want to actually keep in touch and see what's happening with Trojan Jamaica. So where can
Definitely.
we link you guys up, Shush?
I mean, there's TrojanJamaica.com. There's Instagram, which is Trojan Jamaica. There's YouTube, which is again Trojan Jamaica.
Awesome.
We're on all of the socials, Facebook, social Trojan Jamaica.
Oh, everybody.
But it's Trojan Jamaica. That's what it is.
And it's spelled as it's.
As it sounds.
Great.
It's spelled as it sounds. And yeah, we've got Big Youth has got a video that is available. You can view it on YouTube, on the Trojan Jamaica YouTube channel.
Awesome.
And everything is, all of the releases are available on all the digital platforms.
Okay,
All right.
awesome. And as a matter of fact, Big Youth is going to perform for us.
Yes.
The Gunslinger remix right here on Daytime Live, you know. So maybe you want to grab something, you know, to snack on in the meantime.
Or if in the line at the bank, just
Right.
wait a little bit longer.
You just wait, so just have to tell us, just hold
Hold on.
Don't bring you up just yet, right? Whatever you're doing, just pause. Daytime Live, we will be right back and we have Big Youth performing.